Hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD Declarative GitOps CD course for Kubernetes by techlatest.net. So far we had covered course overview, introduction and objectives. Now in this lecture we're talking about what is Argo CD. Argo CD, a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. In this lecture, we'll explore what Argo CD is, its key features, and how it enables developers to deploy application to Kubernetes using Git as the single source of truth. So, what is Argo CD? This is one of the most important topic. What is Argo CD? So, Argo CD is a declarative GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes. It allows developers to deploy application to Kubernetes by using Git as the single source of truth. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. So first is declarative approach. So if we're talking about declarative approach, so Argo CD focuses on defining the desired state of application in configuration file stored in Git. This means that instead of writing scripts to deploy application, you define what you want to deploy and how you want to deploy it in a configuration file. This approach is known as declarative configuration management. Then next is Git as a source of truth. So Git serves as the central repository for all the application configuration and deployment instruction. This means that all changes to the application configuration are stored in Git, and Argo CD uses this information to deploy the application to Kubernetes. The next is continuous monitoring. If you're talking about continuous monitoring, Argo CD continuously monitors the Kubernetes cluster and automatically updates application to match the desired state in Git. This ensures that application is always in sync with the desired state in Git. Then if you're talking about benefits of Argo CD, so what are the benefits of Argo CD? With Argo CD, you get version control. All changes to the application configuration are stored in Git, making it easy to track and changes and roll back if needed. Then if you're talking about automated deployment, Argo CD automatically deploys the application to Kubernetes, reducing the risk of human error. And if you're talking about consistency, Argo CD ensures the application is always in sync with the desired state defined in Git, reducing the risk of configuration drift. Okay, so this is the all about the Argo CD, like what is the Argo CD and its key feature in a very very small intro or demo, you can say. We'll cover in deep about the benefits and key features in our next lectures. Okay, if you're talking about Argo CD, so I'll also show you the docs. This is the docs of the Argo CD. You can also, if you enroll for the course on Udemy or YouTube, so you can also check the docs of Argo CD. Before starting the course, you can check the docs of the Argo CD, because here you can see a lot of things, and here you can find about a lot of things. Then if you're talking about Argo CD, so this is the basically the user interface. We'll also cover in our next lectures about the user interface in deep, like what is the user interface in Argo CD and other things. Okay, so here you can see the docs, so you can take help from the docs. Also here you can learn about a lot of things like uh, architecture, futures, and other things. Okay, and yep, that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium. Because on Medium we will also post some amazing blogs and content related to latest technologies. So yep, that's all about this lecture. Bye bye. We will meet in next lecture.